Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Welcome to my channel and thank you for subscribing. We love new subscribers. Today, SnaponSmile. We're going to talk about how to use a SnaponSmile to close gaps. How many of you people have gaps that have been bothering you for a really long time? You know, veneers can take care of it, but a lot of us face it, we just can't afford it. So we're going to show you how SnaponSmile can close the gaps effectively and also change the color to give you that bright smile you've always wanted. This patient came in and you don't like your gaps, do you?
No.
You've lived with them all your life?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and so why did you come see us?
I saw the Snap-on-Smile video on one of the news channels and I just fell in love with them.
Okay, and the reason you didn't decide to do veneers?
Too expensive.
Expensive. So this is a great option. You can always go and get veneers. So let's go ahead and smile big. As you can see, this patient has straight teeth. She's a great candidate. Go ahead and open a little, and she's got tiny teeth. Smaller teeth make for a better result because we do add 0.5 millimeters of length and thickness. She also has peg laterals. You guys have learned that in my other YouTube videos. So what we're going to do is we're going to create an appliance that actually is going to change the color and also close the gaps. Now the lower one we're not doing yet because we're going to wait and just do the upper. So you can just do an upper and not a lower. You can do both, or you can just do a lower and not an upper. We send the patient for digital impressions. That's right, they're scanned. None of that yucky stuff in your mouth anymore. They come back. And as you can see, this is the impression of her upper teeth after the scan. Now we go ahead and we send the impression or the scans. The scans are directly sent to the lab that makes them, and this is the end result. As you can see, we've actually closed all the gaps, and I'm going to show you exactly how it's going to fit over. And it is a perfect fit, and it is customized. She can eat, drink, and we are going to try it in. Okay, we're going to try this in. Are you ready?
Yes.
You haven't seen them?
No.
Did we alter your teeth in any
No.
way? Okay. Was it painless? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So here's the appliance. And we are going to, as you can see, it fits directly over her existing teeth, and we're literally going to snap it in. We've already adjusted it, but she has not seen it. Go ahead and bite down. Now we're going to check your phonetics. Say church.
Church.
66.
66.
Fire truck.
Fire truck.
How does that sound?
Good.
How does it feel?
Good.
Are you ready to look at
Yes.
it? Are you scared? Are you
I'm
nervous?
nervous.
All right, we're gonna check it out. We've adjusted the Snap-on-Smile. I've tried it in. I've seen it, but the patient has not seen it yet. So here's the big reveal. Let's see how she reacts.
Okay, I'm nervous. Oh my God. They look great.
This is what we do. May I have a Kleenex, please? Wow, this is really life-changing, huh? You've been wanting it for a long time. How do you feel?
I feel amazing. Thank you.
You're so welcome. Here, we always have Kleenex here because we share, right? Here, everybody, Kleenex time.
They're perfect.
Color good?
Yes.
They're amazing, right?
Yes.
Aww. So how will this affect you?
I'll be able to wear colored lipstick. I'll smile so much more. I'm not going to worry about people looking at my mouth when I talk.
It'll give you confidence.
Yes.
Give me a hug. All right, perfect.
Thank you.
All right, I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Please subscribe to the channel because I think we have inspiring videos for you. Thank you.